Scraggy cricket. Buenos días, mi nombre es Chito ranas. I'm the kind of vato that don't really like the drama, but if they wanna talk, so I guess they got a problem. I sent my little homie with the shotty just to rob him. I bet I'll make him overdose. Vatos talking shit, so we hit him in the throat. Pussy little vato, never made it home. For the family, I'll smack any with a pole. Little baby, I don't dance, got a banger in my pants. If a vato got a problem, then he gonna catch these hands on my mama. I put that shit on Mala, posing with a chop, got me feeling like Osama. 45 ACP, but it's llama. Cowboy boots, alligator on my patas. Full metal jacket, hitting me la espalda, leave him hella slump. Y ain't feo nada, tengo peines de los 30 y también de caracol. Nos dejaron ahí tirados, ya apestaban del calor. Mi gente no se rinde cuando estamos en acción. Soy el favorito pistolero del patrón. Ciego de un ojo, pero el otro ve mejor. 38 super fajada en el cinturón. También tengo un cuernito que suena como tambor. Y también tengo mis viejas que me piden más amor. Little baby, I don't dance, got a banger in my pants. If a vato got a pound, then he gonna catch these hands. Get it crackin', bitch, what you think? I don't never see him, cause I'm always at the bank. I can help you out, but I'd rather buy a chain. Fumando marijuana, I just love the way it stank. I bought a new revolver just to keep the shells in it. Ever since the year started, I just been winning. This is for my brother Jew and my compa Cricket. Known to put in work, you don't know what we been in. Always with my people, but I also mob alone. I love Yuba City, that is like my second home. I used to be broke, but I got my bands up. But I'm still not there, I still need the Porsche truck. Le prendo veladoras a mi santísima muerte. Me protege en mi camino, ya me da mi buena suerte. Yo sigo siendo fuerte, quiero armas pa' mi gente. Puras Glocks y varetas y AK-47s. Me gusta mi escopeta, pero están perras las R's. Y hago lo que sea, nomás dime lo que quieres. Por eso mi santita, yo te escribo esta canción. A mis enemigos que los manden al panteón.